Have you ever wanted to be able to snoop out all the information about a company in a few minutes? Let me show you how. Hi everyone, my name is Arshia, and today I'm going to be going over the AI company analysis tool. So basically what this tool does is when we give it a company name, as you can see, I gave it FlowHunt.io, and it's going to give me an overview of every single thing about that company. So it says about the company is an innovative no-code platform that enables users to build, deploy, and manage artificial intelligence tools. It has a company history, founded by Quality Unit, creators of Live Agent, Post Affiliate Pro. If we stroll down, it's like problems and solutions, what kind of problems the AI agents and our platform can solve. Market, so who's the target consumer? Businesses and organizations, that is true, so we're a B2B business. And if we go down, the team, Victor Zaman, Yasha Burmand, Arshia Kahani, all the team members that we have for FlowHunt are here. The products and services, there's like investments, if there are any public sources available that have investments listed for a certain company, is going to pull those up. Go-to-market, economics, and stability, risks, and defensibility. So basically, for a lot of people who want to invest in companies and such, this is a perfect tool to get a overview of every single detail about a company. So basically the way this flow works is that we use multiple different sequential tasks, self-managed tasks, that do a certain section of the report. So basically the economics part, our team part, the basic overview, each one of those sections is generated separately so that we ensure that all of our data is rich and as much research goes to it as possible. So yeah, each of these prompts focus on one thing: company, problem and solution, market, team, just list, product and alternatives, investment, go-to-market, economics, and climate and scalability. So each of those parts are generated separately to give us a very full and rich report on any company that we choose to. If you want to try it out, you can simply go to the Flow library and search for company analysis. And it's the first one, company analysis tool, and you can add it to your flows and use it as I did.